So for maths today, we spoke about your 2D shapes yesterday and some of the properties, meaning what makes them, what makes a square, what makes a rectangle, what makes all of those shapes. Okay. So we're gonna learn two more shapes today. It's the hectagon and the hexagon. Okay. But before we get to that, the other exercise that I need you to do is I need you to go around the house and all those shapes that we did yesterday, which was the square, circle, triangle, rectangle. I want you to find three things around the house for each of that. There are three things that look like a square in your house, and so you're just going to draw the square and then draw those three things. It doesn't, remember when I told you, like, it doesn't have to be perfect drawings as long as you know what it is. Okay. And then a circle, three things in your house that looks like a circle, three things that looks like a triangle, and three things that looks like a rectangle in your house. Okay. And then you can come and learn these two shapes and practice drawing them if you want. Okay. So these ones is this is the hectagon and this is the hexagon. Okay. You don't, for grade 2, you don't have to know these two shapes, but I think you guys are quite clever, and so I thought let me teach you these two shapes. I think some of you may have learned it even in grade 1, but if not, let's learn about these two shapes. So the hectagon, so if you notice, when you say these words, it all has the agon at the end, and this one also has a gon, and the other ones is also, it also says heptagon, and then octagon, and nonagon, and decagon. So it all has this agon sound at the end. Okay. And these ones here, the letters in front tell us what shape it is and how many sides it is. So whenever you see the hect, like this hect part, you must always remember that that is 5 sides, 5 sides. So this hect piece here, okay, is to show you that you have 5 sides. And whenever you see this hex, just remember it has 6 sides, and 6 sides. And the easy way to remember between the two of these is that with hex, just like in the word 6, it has the x and there's your x, so you can just remember that 6 sides, right? Okay. And then for hectagon, you just have to remember that that's 5 sides. So when I draw my 5 sides, let's just look at these shapes. We're gonna count them. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Okay, and let's count the points. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, or 5 corners. Okay, so that's a hectagon. And the way you do it is you start drawing by a triangle, like the start of a triangle, and then your 2 sides on the side goes towards the middle, and then you draw a straight line and then back to the top there. Okay, so triangle almost to the middle, straight line to the top. These 5. Okay, then we have the hexagon. It's 6 sides, so let's count them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. Okay, and the way that we draw this is start at the top. See, it's not a point anymore, it's a straight line, a skew triangle, another straight line, and a skew triangle on the side, like, okay. So that's how we do a hexagon. So you can practice drawing those shapes and learning them. And yes, so thank you guys.